everyone. Heartily welcome, loved students. I am Manikam, MSc MPhil BEd in Maths Department. Our school starts online bridge course for your knowledge improvement. This bridge course will help improve your basics knowledge. You must use this opportunity to increase learning ability for higher secondary educations. I hope to see you soon in class. Thank you.
A very pleasant good morning to everyone. I am proud to welcome you all 11th graders. I am K. Karthikeyan, MSc, MEd, MPhil, Department of Mathematics. We have no regular class because of COVID-19. In this situation, in our school, conduct online bridge course to brush up, fresh up, boost up your knowledge. Bridge course is acquire knowledge from known to unknown. It is very useful to apply previous knowledge in higher secondary level. Use this online bridge course properly. We will meet very shortly in regular class with blessings of God. Until, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.
Good morning to all. I hope you are doing well and safe. Welcome to our AIM family. Myself, B. Apanderaj, MSc MEd, Faculty of Mathematics. Now, we all are in lockdown, but the lockdown should not affect your studies. That's why coming with a new program, Foundation Program. Main aim of our program, keep in touch with your subject and good knowledge in your higher secondary. We will meet soon. Thank you.
Dear students, I am Manivannan, MSc BEd, Department of Mathematics in AIM Metric High Secondary School. I am very glad to welcome this institution. We teach some basic concept of mathematics through this bridge course. I say this course will improve your problem solving skill and understanding the lesson surely. Please don't waste your time. Use the great opportunity properly. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. The topics we are going to discuss in bridge course are: the first one, Introduction to Number System. In this topic, we are going to see some number systems, the difference between the rational and irrational numbers, the value of pi and how it is obtained. The second topic is algebra. In this topic, we are going to learn how to solve a quadratic and polynomial equations, factor theorem, the discriminant values, and graphical representation of the roots of an equation according to the discriminant values, some exponential formulas, and some algebraic identity formulas. The third topic is logarithmic basic. Here we are going to learn some basic log formulas. The fourth topic is trigonometry. In this topic, we are going to learn the table value from degree 0 to 90 degree of all the 6 ratios, degrees, radians, quadrant rules. Beyond the limit, if any degree is asked for a particular ratio, how can I find the value? For example, sine 120 degree. By using this quadrant rule, we can find the value of sine 120 degree and some trigonometrical identities. The next topic is graphing a function using transformations. In this topic, we are going to learn how to sketch a graph without tracing a point, matrices and determinants, the difference between the matrices and determinants and its basic properties, mensuration, some basic structures, and the formulas to find the area, volume, surface area of structures. Two-dimensional analytical geometry. In this topic, we are going to learn the different structure of equations of straight line from the given data. How can I find the slope of a straight line? And what is the formula to find the angle between the straight lines? The ninth topic is sets and functions. In this topic, we are going to learn domain, codomain, range, functions. And the last topic is scalar quantity, vector quantity, and its some properties. I request all the students to make use of this bridge course and develop your basic mathematical knowledge. Thank you.